everyone! Welcome to Dr. Didi's Discover Science. In Lesson 3, we are playing a tunnel game. And remember Bouncy and his friends? Bouncy is big and round, but his friends are all different shapes and different sizes, which is why when they play a tunnel game, one really big friend gets stuck and he can't move. Why is this happening? Because they are all different sizes. So let's find out by sorting a mixture by size. Are you ready? Discover. Today's materials: beads, a lid, a large sorting container, a small sorting container, and the bottom container. Look at your materials. We have 3 containers, but one container has no holes at the bottom. This will go on the bottom, and then compare your other 2. There's one with bigger holes. One has smaller holes. The smaller hole goes on top next, and the one with the bigger holes goes on top. Okay, and then we have the lid, which will go here. Not yet. Okay, make sure everything is tight. Okay, good. Now we have our beads. If you look, we have red beads, yellow beads, and blue beads, but they are all different colors and different sizes. Okay, we're going to pour this into the top. Ready? Oh, one more. And then we're going to close the cap. And look what happened. Some beads, small beads, came to the bottom. Some are in the middle, and the rest are on top. What do we do now? We can flip it over and we can shake. We can shake. And if you shake more and more, slowly they will become separated. Keep going. This is what we want to make, okay? Look, a little bit more. Ooh, almost there. And voila! Now we have all the beads that are separated by size. Look closely. We have the tiny red beads at the bottom, the medium-sized yellow beads in the middle, and the large blue beads on top. Now everything is separated. Ta-da! Did you guys do a good job too? Great! Think why. Now that your mixture is separated, try this. Flip it upside down. What happens? All the mixtures fall into one container, and now they're mixed together again. It's a mixture. But when we separate them like this, then they are separated by size or by different whatever it is. Okay, so this is a mixture where 2 or more substances are mixed together. We call it a mixture. All right, when beads of different sizes mix together, it's a mixture. You can use a container like this to sort them because they have different size holes. All right, big beads will stay on top, small beads will go to the bottom, and the middle size will go in the middle. Of course, you can do this as well. What if, oh, this is really stuck in there. What if you only had 2 different kinds of mixtures? Then you can do this, right? One mixture, and then we separate the mixture into 2 different sizes and 2 different colors. So with mixtures, you can separate 3 different kinds or 2 different kinds. Either way, they're both called mixtures. All right, think more. When can we use a mixture and separate them? Look at the first picture. There is a construction worker and he is throwing the gravel or the sand onto a sieve. So when it falls onto the sieve, the tiny grains of sand go to the bottom, and then larger pieces of wood or something else will remain on top. Also, if you go to the kitchen, you can see your parents washing vegetables. The vegetables stay separated from the water by staying on a strainer. And the more you wash it, maybe there is sand or some dirty things on the vegetables, they will wash out through the strainer. Okay, have fun with your toys and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye!